apple. B, ball. C, cat. D, dog. Elephant. F, fish. A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for aeroplane. A is for alligator. B is for ball. B is for balloon. B is for bicycle. B is for bus. C is for cat. C is for car. C is for cake. C is for cherry. The letter D. D is for dog. D is for duck. And D is for dinosaur.
Let's learn the letter E.
E is for elephant. E is for egg. E is for eagle.
Let's learn about the letter F. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. F is for frog, hopping happily. And F is for fox, played and free.
Let's learn the letter G. G is for giraffe and grapes. And G is for a happy little goat. Can you say the letter G? This is the letter H. H is for horse. H is for hat. H is for helicopter. Horse, hat, and helicopter. I is for ice cream. Iguana. And insect. J is for jellyfish. J is for juice. J is for jeep. K is for kite. K is for kangaroo. K is for key. L is for lion. L is for lemon. L is for lamp. Lion, lemon, lamp. M is for monkey. M is for mango. M is for moon. N is for nest. N is for nurse. N is for net. N is for learning. O. Orange. Owl. Octopus. Letter P. Panda, parrot, pizza. Q is for queen. Q is for quilt. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit and a big rainbow. R is for a friendly little robot. S is for sun. And S is for snake. S is for star. The letter T. T is for tiger and T is for train. T is for turtle. All aboard the letter T. U is for umbrella. U is for unicorn. U is for uniform. U, umbrella, unicorn, uniform. V is for van. V is for violin. V is for volcano. Let's learn the letter W. W is for whale. W is for watermelon. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. And X is for xeris. Y is for yak. And yacht. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Zip goes the zipper. Letter Z. For watch more videos like, subscribe and share. Cartoon.